Where do you live? Where do you live? Asa ka nagpuyo? Asa ka nagpuyo?
Let's break it down. Where? Asa. Asa. You. Ka. Live. Nagpuyo. Nagpuyo. Repeat after me. Asa ka nagpuyo. Asa ka nagpuyo. Let's listen one more time.
Where do you live? Where do you live? Asa ka nagpuyo? Asa ka nagpuyo?
Now it's your turn. That's all for today, guys. Thank you for learning with me. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you're very new. Come back here next Friday, Philippine time. Don't forget to visit me as well at www.cebuano101.com. Bye!